Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unprivate your videos on your YouTube mobile app. It's very easy. First open your YouTube app and go to your profile page in the bottom right corner. And then as you can see in this page there is videos. You can click it. And then you can go to private, which is will show your private videos. And then you can choose the video you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit this one. You can click three dots in the video and then you can click edit. And as you can see there is visibility. You can click it, then you can change it, maybe publish now or schedule, or you can choose whatever you want. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.